Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Adobe step by step clearly. To begin investing with Adobe, start by creating an Adobe account if you don't already have one. Visit the Adobe website and locate the sign in option at the top right corner. Click on Create an account and fill out the required information, including your email address and password. Once your account is created, log in to your Adobe account. Next, familiarize yourself with the Adobe Creative Cloud offerings. Explore the different plans available and determine which one aligns with your investment needs. Consider whether you want a subscription for individual use or for a team. Select the appropriate plan and proceed to the Payments section. Enter your payment information and complete the purchase of your selected Adobe subscription. After successfully subscribing, download the Adobe Creative Cloud app from the website. Install the app on your device and sign in using your Adobe account credentials. Once installed, open the Creative Cloud app and browse the available Adobe applications. Download the applications that align with your investment goals and areas of interest. Explore online resources, tutorials, and community forums to enhance your skills with Adobe products. Keep track of updates and new features released by Adobe to maximize your investment. Consider joining Adobe's user community to network and gain insights from other creatives. Regularly assess your usage and determine if your Adobe subscription still meets your needs. If necessary, upgrade or downgrade your plan based on your evolving requirements. Monitor Adobe's performance in the market if you're considering a stock investment. Research and analyze Adobe's financial reports and growth prospects. Consult with financial advisors or use investment tools to aid your decision-making process. Once comfortable, make a decision on how you would like to invest in Adobe stock through a brokerage platform. Execute your investment strategy and keep track of your investments over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.